welcome to the doctor's office.
No, surgeon.
Say good morning.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Oopsies.
Mia, what have you been up to this morning?
That we have salamanders that we're keeping care of until we cut them in where they actually live.
Look at them in their habitat in the orange bucket.
The eggs.
The eggs. Look at those things.
There was a frog. There was a frog.
Kind of weird looking.
There was a frog living.
There you go. So we're getting this day started with some science, and I'm just doing some soldering, so that's why I've got the mask on.
Look how sciencey this is.
Daddy.
Yeah, and putting up some under counter lighting. Hopefully it's all gonna work out. Under here. Oh, I hear something. I hear something. Hello. What's up, buddy?
You wanna come in here?
I don't think I'm big enough. I mean, small enough. All right, I'm on my way to look at a cottage that a friend of ours has. Might need some work done, and looking forward to maybe helping them out and getting that done. So that's what I'm doing this afternoon. It's a little bit of a distance away, but 50 minutes from our place. A little bit south. So I think the fam jam's gonna go out grocery shopping. And Nana's coming over this weekend. She's coming over to see Kenzie's ballet recital, I think. So she's just gonna stay with us, but she'll be spending a lot of time with Shelly's brother's family, Derek. And that's the plan right now. So here we go, road trip. Alright, just met my friend in this random local hick town, and he's, I'm following him to his cottage. Supposedly it's hard to get to, so now I gotta remember how to get there. Alright, all done at the little cottage. Actually, it's a big cottage, but yeah, there's a lot of work to be done there, and I think I'll be working there for a little while. Gotta stop spending money, gotta start making money, right? Home sweet home. Look at all this greenery. So nice. We haven't had a lot of opportunity to enjoy the outside since it's been this green because of the bugs. And I bet you if I stand here long enough, they will start eating me. Look, one just flew by. They're really bad. So, there's a lot more mosquitoes out now. Black flies are starting to die off, I think. And there's mosquitoes. But yeah, home now. Gonna do a few more things on the kitchen reno. And then Nana's coming. Just gonna chill out the rest of the night. This is all the junk from the kitchen reno, which I need to take to the dump. But free dump day is next weekend, I think, which is I think when I'll go, if I have time, because I think we're going to the city next weekend. Hello, Ruby. How are you? Always good. Back at the kitchen once again. We're putting on some hardware. Look at that. Looking nice. It's a little tedious to get it in the exact perfect spot, but I'm making it work. And Nana's almost here. Kids just went down to bed, and we got this today, but I'll let Shelly tell you about it another time. This is our Berkey. Thumbs up if you know what a Berkey is. All right, I'm gonna keep going at this and get it done. Should be able to get them all in tonight, maybe. We'll see. It takes a while. Good morning. Well, I finished up all the knobs in the kitchen. I'll show you a little later. last night, and Nana made it to the house, and then I just got distracted and went to bed. So we'll continue this vlog today, and Nana is leaving for Derek's house because she's going to Kenzie's recital for the day. And we're gonna go register for swimming now for the kids in the summer, and I don't know what else we'll do, but there's always lots to do when you're renovating your whole house. So here we go. There goes Nana. All right, we are at the municipal office to register for swimming lessons. Well, Shelly's in there registering. And all three of the kids are back here, hanging out, acting all cool, guys. Shooting some b-ball?
Yeah.
Outside of school? No? Spending a little time in bug-free Perry Sound. Just hanging out outside while we can with no bugs. Check out the water planes.
For some reason I'm really attracted to that one.
To that boat?
I don't know why.
Really?
Maybe it's because it's all metal.
Interesting.
I'm standing here, I want to take a picture. I like the red one.
You like the red one?
Turn around, doll. Is it like deep here?
Check out this old fishing boat. Pretty cool. All right, we're checking out the lookout tower now. Look at the little fishies. What's that, Joel? You want to bring your fish rod here? I don't know if these are the kind of fish you want to catch. Okay, there it is. We're gonna climb to the top of this. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Tower Hill Lookout. On that pier. Now we're up here. Super high. Isn't it high?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it?
I'm gonna count how many stairs it took.
You're gonna? Wow.
Just like every one thing, not
oh, and
like
then you're gonna
one
multiply it? Maybe?
Maybe.
Okay. Alright, we're heading back down. How many steps do you think it is?
I don't know, I'll count.
I'm gonna count.
Because I'm weird that
We're all gonna count. See if we all get the same amount.
Silently.
What did you get?
140.
Whoa, 140.
But I was counting the platform as one step.
I was also counting the platform as one step.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, me too. I was counting.
what did you get, man?
121.
Yeah? I got,
So maybe he wasn't counting the steps.
maybe.
Yeah.
It's a lot of steps. It's a lot easier going down than going up.
Yeah.
112.
Gotta work out. Gotta get in shape. Mommy wants to take a picture.
Cheese.
What a beautiful day out on the lake. Once these bugs go away though, we'll be able to enjoy it a little bit more. We got outside a little bit today, which is really good. And yeah, I think we got some work done in the house on the kitchen, reorganized some stuff and everything else. But we're gonna call it a day on the vlog for now. It's kind of a 2-day vlog. And I'm back on track, so I have no other vlogs that I need to edit. and we're gonna try to stay that way. But yeah, we've just been really busy and found it a little bit hard to edit and vlog and everything else. But we're getting back on track and enjoying life on the lake. Here is the view of the lake right now. The sun is going to set in like an hour, 2 hours. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful evening on the lake. So there's the house up there. Well, that's the sauna. House is up there. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you real soon. Love y'all. Peace out.